Hi, this is Sheree with Rehash Fiber. What I have here is Paradise Fiber's Fiber Club mystery box. A couple years ago, I used to order these on a regular basis. It was extremely fun because you get a surprise in the mail every month. You don't know what it is, and it is truly like opening a present. I had to stop because I have fiber coming out of everywhere in this room. So I needed to just kind of catch up on things. But recently I was in Spokane, Washington and went to the actual Paradise Fiber store, which I recently did a video tour on that. So I'll include that at the end of the show. And when I was checking out with my basket full of yarn and fiber and things that I bought there, I said, AJ, they had some of these left on the counter. I said, AJ, I love colorful things. So could you please pick a mystery box for me? So she grabbed this one off the pile and said, you'll love this one. So I waited to open it until I was with you so we could do the unboxing together. From Valentine's time. Yeah, they had extra boxes left over from previous months. And that's what was fun, is that even that was a surprise. So we have the Sweetheart Tweed collection. Oh my gosh, okay. I'll read this later. So we have this. All right, let's open this up and see what's inside. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Be Our Valentine. How fun. It's a sticker. Some tea. Look at this. See these added touches? It's like a present. It's great. Soap with a little bumblebee on it. See? Super cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I want to do something with it right now. Right now. Look at that. Every little detail is there. How sweet is that? Rocky's here to check it out. Oh my gosh. So we have a stitch marker. They do that. They send fun little stitch markers. And then instead of using them, I've collected them on a ring on one of my bags that I use. Really fun. Okay, let's check this out. Here we go, Rocky. There's your toy. Okay, oh my gosh, look at this, how fun. It's so soft and so pretty. I want to spin it right now. There's pink. Don't get into it. Green, blue, yellow. Oh, let's give him something else. Where'd your yarn go, Rocky? Huh? I don't want you to lose that. That's too cute. Red, blues. Oh, I want to do it right now. Spin it all up. Oh, see how fun that is? That is just great fun. Great fun. So I was able to look through things further. It's great. Okay, look at this. The colors have names. This is called Heartfelt, Let's Ply, Don't Frog Me, Hooked on You, Draft You Later, I Love You. Very fun. Okay, so I'm already thinking, my brain is just spinning, like, what am I gonna do with this? And I can't just let these sit on a shelf. I think I'm gonna split them up and spin all of these colors and have like a kind of rainbow type yarn. And I know I'll use it sometime, and I love all this color. All right, so in this great information, so here they tell you everything that you get. They talk about some things. What's really fun is these are tweeds, so they inform you about tweed, all about that. Here is something really wicked cool. A surprise knitting project. You don't really know what you're making. Here are the instructions. So they give you a general idea of what yarn to use for this surprise pattern, a solid color where you can see a pattern. So of course, I'm gonna try this out sometime. So anyway, I think I'm gonna get ready to spin it. I decided to take the large roving cocoons and make them into 6 smaller ones. Then I'm going to spin it all up, but it'll be a more frequent color change because I will just draw from each one and go from there. I was so excited. I grabbed a couple of these right away and spun them up, and tweed is so much fun. I can't recall the last time I have spun something tweed, and it's just neat because all these little color pops keep happening. So it's a really, really fun thing to do. So once I get it all spun up, then I'll decide if I'm gonna chain ply it to retain the more solid colors, or if I'll just 2-ply it and let the colors mix. We'll find out. I took a couple days to spin it up, and it was really fun because breaking it up, each nest into 6 little nests, made for a lot of color change. It always kept it really interesting, and it was a lot of fun. I ended up chain plying it so that it would retain its color and not be barber poled with another color. So I'm really happy. It's really soft. It's BFL, sari silk, and faux cashmere. So it's really soft and fun, and I'm gonna have a blast making this into something. So if you think that fiber club's for you, just go to paradisefibers.com and you can sign up for it there. It's a monthly thing, and you get that surprise every month. All right, and don't forget, if you're enjoying the programming, go to my website, rehashfiber.com. You can sign up for Patreon, give as little as $1 or $2 a month. It helps keep the programming going. And also there, I have merchandise. Alrighty, happy Paradise Fibers Fiber Club! And thanks for watching.